Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ray. I am on this occasion. I show you my apartment. This is the eating room. It's small. There are four people in my family with me. This is Raquel, my wife. It is on the wall. This is our TV. This is the room TV. I watching movies or with my family, my wife, my two child. This is the kitchen. I enjoy cooking for my family. This is the cloth room. Clothes room. We washing our clothes here. Oh, our sofa. We watching movies here. This is the bathroom. This is the room children, Martin and Isabel. Martin is 9 years old, Isabel is 2 years old. This is my bedroom. There are no many things in my bedroom. There are no TV. There are no music. I don't like. There is one window. I can see the park. This is my favorite room in the house. Is the study room. There is one PC. There is one chair. There is one desk. Thanks. Bye bye.